Hey everyone, welcome to the demo scene for the Mimics Chests Pack PBR. Before we get into the full screen demo, I do want to point out that this package has both these Mimic characters and also the regular chests. And apparently, oh, these are the models, no wonder. Prefabs, there we go, and the chests. And these chests all have the procedural material on them. Ready for customization. They also have the loot here, which is gem piles, gold piles, and these hero coin and hero crystal. All of these are customizable as well. And we've got our mimic demos, and these mimics are just static for texture creation. And that's in the texture creation scene. So let's get back to the demo. There's a lot here, and I just want you to realize that there's not just mimics, it's also loot and chests that have no mimics in them as well. There's a lot of sound effects for opening and shutting that work with non-mimic character as well, so you can use those as well. You'll hear them sound effects right here in the demo scene as well. So let's get right into it. The music you're hearing, by the way, is included in the package. It's called The Last In, and it's customizable as well. There are a bunch of different options, pre-made versions for you, and you can, in the editor, use the mixer to create your own versions as well. Alright, so let's get into this here. We've got different lighting setups, the daytime, sunset, lights from the front, some point lights. This is what it would look like more in a cave setting. Go up to the front here, and we can change our height a little bit so you can see inside the mimics as well. And some colored lights so you can see what it would look like in some color, and spotlights straight down. We're going to stick with the daytime lighting. And move the height down a little bit and zoom out a little bit. So we do have a bunch of texture sets. All of this is customizable, and the textures are quite insanely customizable. You can create your own in the editor or outside in Substance Painter. These are the default looks, but we also have some other, these are mimic looks, I guess, come with, zoom around again. These are the mimic looks that I've got here going on. Default blue, black, green, and this yellowish look. So that's customizable as well. All the chests are customizable. And then we also have these the body parts, which can be turned on and off. So you can make it, how you'd like. The blend shapes also have more options. So here's the lower teeth going up and down. And there's a lot of options here. We also have the blend shape script, which lets you easily manage this via code or set presets, or even randomize everything on load so that every time a mimic is loaded, it has slightly different features, different lengths and whatnot. You can get your tongue size, eyeball size, and so on. So that's a lot of customization there. And when it's dead and it leaves loot, it can leave a gold pile, it can leave a gem pile, it can leave both together. And that is also customizable in the blend shapes, where you can change the height of the pile, the peak of the pile, etc. So there's a lot you can do with that. You can of course leave the gold in there while he's moving around if you so choose, but we won't for this. So let's get with the animations. This is the idle animation, as you can see. I'll go up a little bit. We have our shut animation and open. So if you want, he's gonna surprise characters, right? So you can just quickly open. One option is to go straight to an attack. So there's attack 2 and attack 1. So if he's shut, and he goes straight to the attack, you just boom, right like that, which is kind of fun. The idle break. We have our cast animation. This is a loop in the middle, so I'm holding the mouse down here. You can run that for as long as you want. Like, you get that. Block. It's just really a close with slightly different audio, and then comes back up like that. Just a quick block. It is looped in the middle, so you can hold it for as long as you want, or you can just do a one tap and it'll close and block. And then he's got his walking. Now they do walk at all slightly different speeds, so we're going to walk them forward and then we'll walk them back. And the sound you're hearing is actually coming from this chest right here, which is a wooden chest. I'll show you in a bit, but there are metal sounds as well, and more variations in the sound. Let's pause that, and here's the death. There you go, so now they're dead. So I'm going to go back to the project here, and I want to show you there's these errors. That's because I only have the audio working on one of the chests. So you can ignore those errors. These are turned off because I didn't want to have multiple audio things. So you can ignore those errors. And then I wanted to show you the audio itself. So in SFBase Studios, Mimics and Chests, this is going to be under Game Ready Files, Sound Effects. So when it comes to like the handles, we have handles on metal and handles on wood. We have the open on a wood heavy, fast, medium, slow. These are great for when you're using just the chest. Based on however fast you animate the chest to open, you can work with those sounds as well. And again, with the walking, we have metal and wood. So there's a lot you can do with that. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day. Thanks.